Hey you guys, Amy Auto. Got you guys another video. I have a 2000 Honda Odyssey, and the issue is the radio's not turning on. See it? I got this anti-theft light blinking. So I bought one of these things a while back at Harbor Freight, maybe like a week ago, and I decided to use it today. Which I use it for the fuses. It'll tell you, it'll light up. You gotta connect it to ground. See this? Connect it to ground, and you got a screw that has ground, and you check the fuses, right? Well, you gotta make sure you check. It has two little dots. It has one here, and it has one here. You gotta make sure you check both sides, because this one, it lights up, right? That's one side. The other side doesn't. So you're just checking one side, you're gonna see it light up. You're gonna figure that fuse is good and keep moving on to the next one. And in reality, that fuse is blown. Like, let's take it out. Let me take it out so you guys can see. I gotta change it either way. The way is not worth it. Alright, so see it? It's blown. It has two dots. You see one dot on the side of the 15? See it like this. Okay, you see those two dots, one on the left, one on the right? You gotta check both of those dots, because if one of them, you only check one, it might light up and you might miss a fuse that's blown. See it? And it lighted up. So they didn't put in a new one. As right now, have no power to it. Oh, so late at the new one. Same thing, 15 amp. Try to put it in, and right, so it's in. Okay, so we have power now. Alright, so now every time that happens, Honda asks you for anti-theft code, right? It's a common car to get stolen. A lot of cars, sometimes the dealer, like me, I got lucky and I was able to find it from the dealer handbook. See it? Anti-theft radio identification card. You see? So I can just input that code. So it's 36632. 36632. You see? So I got lucky and I had it, right? But if you don't find it, you can look around for it. Like, sometimes the people take it back to the dealers and there might be a little sticker post like stuck inside here, or you just check everywhere, inside here, different places. Just look around and you might find it. So thank you for watching, you guys. Hope you guys liked it. See you.